Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, that I'm gonna sing by Maroon 5. Here we go. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember, but people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you are here next to me. It's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. In our the gods and out with the night, you tonight I'm paralyzed. But even the sunset in paradise, I feel all of change I spent on you. Where have times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, one more stupid love song I'll be sick. All this fairy tale are full of it. You turn on back your tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I'd give you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know we've said it before, but all of that bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turn on the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my spend I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, if happy ever after did exist, mali na ako kanina pa.